In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a site on Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a published site offline without deleting any of your work, and you'll understand what happens after you unpublish. So there are no surprises. First, head to your Wix account and open the dashboard where all your sites are listed. If you manage multiple projects, this All Sites view makes it easy to pick the exact site you want to take offline. Click to select the site you want to unpublish so you land on that site's dashboard. This ensures any changes you make apply to the correct website. Once you're on the site's dashboard, look for the main menu on the left and click Settings. This area controls the global options for your site, not just content inside the editor, so it's the right place for publishing and privacy actions. Inside Settings, choose Website Settings. This section brings together important controls for your site's status, including its published state, domain connections, and general details. We're here specifically for the Publish controls. On the Website Settings page, find the Unpublish option and click it. Wix places this control here to prevent accidental clicks elsewhere. So don't worry, you're not taking the site down immediately by selecting it. You're just starting the process. A confirmation window will appear asking if you want to unpublish your website. This prompt is your safeguard. Take a quick moment to confirm you've selected the correct site, especially if you manage several. Unpublishing will take the live version of your site offline, but it won't delete your content, your design, your store items, or your data. You can republish later with a single click when you're ready. When you're sure, click Unpublish in the confirmation window. Wix will process the change, and your site will no longer be publicly accessible. Visitors will stop seeing your live pages. Depending on your setup, they may encounter a default message or an unavailable page. Your custom domain, if connected, will remain attached, and you can bring the site back online anytime by publishing again from the same settings area or the site editor. A couple of practical tips as you wrap up. Unpublishing is ideal when you're redesigning, fixing issues, or preparing new content. If you only need to hide a single page rather than the entire site, consider adjusting page visibility in the editor instead. And if you collaborate with a team, make sure the person performing these steps has the proper permissions. That's it. Your Wix site is now unpublished, safely stored, and ready to be republished whenever you're set.